So apparently she don't fall just to sleep on my lap. I'm out here trying to, weed around my young peach trees. And she got me to love on her, and this is what happened. She fell asleep, and I have to kind of stay in this position to shade her from the sun. She's living her best little cat life. I'm almost done though. I'm almost done weeding. I hate disturbing her. Does anyone else have a cat that does this? I mean, is there anyone out there that has a cat that acts like this? Please share if you do.